How do you make a narcissist regret losing you? How do you make them miss you? So if you're moving on from a relationship with a narcissist, it hurts. You feel that you should make them regret losing you. You want them to know your life is better without them. You want to make them feel remorse. So in this video, I want to talk about how to make this narcissist regret losing you, how to make them miss you. Number one, you should go no contact with the narcissist. Walk away and end communication to signal that you're done with them. Cut off all contact with the narcissist. When you go no contact, that is the best way to deal with the narcissist. They might try to reach out to get your attention, but you should remind yourself every time to take deep, relaxing breaths. Try stress reduction techniques like mindful meditation or even journaling. But the thing with cutting off all contact with the narcissist may not apply if you have kids with the narcissist, or if you work with the narcissist, your colleagues. So in these situations, you keep your interactions dedicated to discussing only those issues that matter. Child care, for instance, if you're co-parenting, or if it's a colleague at work, only talking about work. Now, another way to make the narcissist regret losing you is to be unattainable. Focus on yourself, focus on your well-being. Turn your energy inward to distract yourself and move on. Don't let the narcissist have the satisfaction of seeing you lonely or depressed. That way they might think they have power over you. So if the narcissist calls you, or if they text you, ignore them. If you can't ignore them, tell them that you are busy doing something else. Tell the narcissist that you can't talk to them or you can't meet up with them because your schedule is too busy. Try to make some positive changes in your life. Go for them. Focus on your well-being. That's another way of making a narcissist regret losing you. Another way of making the narcissist regret losing you is to spend time with your strong support system, support network. When you spend time, when you hang around people who respect you, it empowers you. It shows that you are valued by others. When you get some emotional support, you'll realize that you can move on with your life. You'll not care what the narcissist thinks about you. You should know at the back of your mind that narcissists lack empathy. They can't feel regret. You can't make the narcissist feel a certain way. So choose and push yourself to move on because the narcissist won't miss you. What they miss is whatever they were getting from you. Because the narcissist can't give genuine love. They are incapable of loving you. They are incapable of intimacy. So you deserve better. You can be happier with someone who genuinely appreciates you. The narcissist won't even regret the way they treated you. They'll find ways to justify their behavior. The other way of making the narcissist regret losing you is to resist that urge to get revenge from the narcissist. Narcissists are master manipulators. So you cannot beat them. You cannot outmaneuver them when it comes to manipulation. So be calm, cool and collected. You want to hurt them the same way they hurt you. But you should remind yourself that the narcissist is a master manipulator. They're skilled at getting what they need. So accept that the relationship has ended and focus on your well-being. So if you try to belittle the narcissist, if you try to hurt the narcissist or expose them, then they will be happy. They will thrive. They love that attention and emotional energy you're giving them. So walking away from the narcissist is the best thing you can do that they truly have no control over. So give yourself some chance to grieve that relationship. Allow yourself to feel all the emotions you're experiencing. So try journaling, meditation, yoga. Be grateful that the relationship is over. Be happy. Tell yourself that you're better off without the narcissist. Remember all the pain they caused you. They disrespected you. They shut you down. Now, repeat positive affirmations to yourself that you need to be happy, that you're worthy of love. Do activities that help you to heal. Even if it's jogging, whatever you do. Now, take your happiness to people who listen to you. Share your emotions with people who genuinely care about you. Ignore the narcissist. Go out and celebrate with friends about your achievements instead of telling the narcissist about it. Live without worry. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your energy thinking about the narcissist. Now, see a therapist if you are struggling to move on without the narcissist. So talking with a therapist can help you recover. It's very tough to get over a relationship with a narcissist. Why do they come back? Why do the narcissists want to come back? What is the real reason for that? So let's look at the 5 reasons or more reasons why narcissists will want to come back, especially when you're strong again. They want to come back because saying no to a narcissist, rejecting a narcissist, being ignored a narcissist is so painful. They can't resist being ignored or rejected, and that's why they will come back when you're strong again. One of the things that the narcissist hates most is to be ignored, to be rejected. So when you continue to be strong, even after leaving the narcissist, it's a clear sign that you're not affected by the absence. So they start feeling bad about it. They start to think that their presence never mattered to you. So they feel painful, they feel rejected. They will want to come back to you. So the other reason why the narcissist will want to come back when you're strong again, they start thinking, making assumption that you're a high value person again. You see, when you see a person being very strong within a few days after breakup, we tend to feel that the person is so strong and independent. So if they see that you're very strong again, then you appear to be a high value person. They even think that you are a lot higher value person than they thought earlier. The narcissist gives a lot of importance to high value things and high value people. So this super high importance makes the narcissist think that they should not miss you, and thus they will come back to you finally. Now, the other reason the narcissist will come back is because they can't believe that you have the upper hand in the relationship. Because the narcissist believes that they are the ones who have the upper hand. And you know, in a relationship, the person who has the upper hand is the one who is less affected. And the person in the upper hand is the one who's, most cases, responsible for the breakup. Once they see that you're strong again, they get surprised. Start realizing that they never had the upper hand in the relationship. They start seeing that you can get back to life easily after a breakup. So they get confused, amazed. The narcissist, we know that they never want to lose their narcissistic supply. So they don't want to lose you. Because once there's a breakup with the narcissist, they expect you to think about them They want you to feel completely heartbroken because the narcissist has broken up with you. They expect you to start missing them. Expect you to contact them every day. They expect you to apologize. They expect you to cry for the narcissist to be back to the relationship. Now, this is what most narcissists expect after a breakup. Early in the big breakup, when you are feeling bad, sad, then the narcissist feels happy. They're excited. When you're strong, the narcissist lacks the narcissistic supply they thought they had. So this confuses them. It makes them go wild. They will come back to you finally. So the other thing that will make a narcissist come back is when there is no replacement. The fear that they cannot replace you stresses them up, pushes them so much. So to hurt a narcissist, to attack a narcissist, replace them. The narcissist fears to be replaced. So when you're strong again, the narcissist is afraid. They are scared that you'll replace them. You'll find a new partner. Now, before that, they are confident that you'll keep thinking about them, that you'll not seek a new partner. So once you get strong again, this confidence goes down. It becomes fear. They're scared that you might get into a new relationship and you might replace them completely. Sometimes even peer pressure can make the narcissist come back to you. When you become strong again, the friends, the mutual friends, can make the narcissist want to come back. So they keep thinking about you. The narcissist wants to prove that you still love them. The narcissist wants attention at all costs. That is what they want. And if they can't get enough of it, they will look for you. They will want you back, especially when you're strong again, to give them the attention, the acknowledgement, the validation that they desperately want.